We have a beautiful home to show you today. Upon entry, we have a spacious living room on my right. Beyond that, a very inviting dining room. Off the dining room, we have a good sized kitchen with new countertops. Large family room with wood stove for supplemental heat. And down the hall, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The rear yard is perfect for nature lovers, offers plenty of privacy with the new fence, and a generous rear deck for entertainment. This home was built in 1990, measures out at just under 1,800 square feet, has a brand new roof, and the Kilburn neighborhood is very popular, lies on the east side, very high demand here. A very quiet, walkable neighborhood with an optional HOA, and it does have its own playground. We believe this property is going to get a lot of attention, so to see it in person, message me on my cell before it's too late. Thanks for watching.